Hello, are you enjoying the cook along series? This is part of the cook along series from Veet's Cuisine Cookbook, and we're making the fennel, orange, and olive salad. And I've just changed up a few things. It's got almonds in it, but I've got pepitas. I wanted to add some complete protein. So I'm just going to put a sprinkle of pepitas in the frying pan to let them pop. And then I also had Madagascan beans, which we grew. We grew in our garden. They're organic Madagascan beans instead of the lentils. So you can have whatever you've got in your cupboard. You just have to remember to soak them the day before. And then I'm going to show you how to cut fennel. How we're going to cut fennel. Different to the soup recipe. Have you tried the soup yet? Oh, that was so good, the fennel soup. So what we're doing here is taking out that core and the end bit and pop that just in the compost. And then because this is a big one, I'm going to cut it in half. These woody bits we don't need. And then we're just going to slice it fine. You could use a mandolin. And whenever I'm slicing anything, I'm just checking if my shoulders are hunched up like that, or if they're nice and low, just for good posture. So that's plenty of fennel. And when I chop fennel, after it's cut, I'll put it in water. But because we're making this salad straight away, I'm going to put lemon juice on it. And the reason why I put it in water is so it doesn't oxidize, which means go brown. So except for cauliflower, any white vegetable like potato and fennel, if you don't put it in water after you chop it, it will go brown, and then it doesn't look great when you go to eat it, and people don't want to eat it. Right, now that was my bowl for putting these in. So we're going to put that straight into the bowl, and I juiced up some lemon, and we're going to put the lemon on there. And the pepitas are not popping now, so we'll just put the lemon on there. We're going to add the Madagascan beans in here as well, and the olives. And next we'll come to the oranges. Now those pepitas are popping, so I can turn them off. And I've got some oranges already cut, so I'm going to pop those in, and I slice them like this. You can slice them however you want. But I'm just going to show you how I did that. So topped off the top and the bottom of the orange, and then I worked my way around the shape of the orange. Da, 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 da. Oranges are so good for you, so much vitamin C, which is what you need. There's plenty of iron in this recipe, and the oranges and the lemon juice add the vitamin C to help the iron absorb. And I soaked the beans overnight and cooked them to remove the phytic acid. So you can check out that YouTube video too. Okay. Wonderful. So they're nice and sliced, and these are off our tree. Mac picked them this morning. So we'll pop them in there and give this a nice stir, and add some balsamic vinegar. Do, 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 do. Yum, 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 yum. I can't wait to eat it. And some salt and pepper. Oh, and you can put this on lettuce, on a bed of lettuce, but I'm actually just going to have it like this. So I've got a plate here. Move that one. And we will just add that in there. And the colours are spectacular. It's also delicious with the lentils. So I had the wrong utensil, but doesn't that look sensational? And then we will just put the pepitas on top. And there's your salad. Enjoy. Hello, wonderful cook. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I would love it if you wrote a comment. I love receiving comments, and I'll always reply. Also, please like and subscribe. And if you look below, there's a link to sign up for my free iron rich ebook and weekly recipes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.